Hi, welcome to the YouTube channel for fourth year BMS students. The subject is Research Methodology and Medical Statistics. Part A, that is Research Methodology. So in this video, we will study about this importance of IT in data mining and important research data portals concerned with Ayurveda and contemporary medical sciences like Dhara, PubMed, Ayush Research Portal, Bioinformatics Center, Research Management Informatics System, etc. So first let us study IT means what. So IT stands for Information Technology. So anything related to computing technology such as networking, hardware, software, the internet, and the people that are working with these technologies will be considered under this IT. So this is as per internet definition, which is collected from a source of website. Data mining. So it's a process used to extract usable data from a larger set of raw data, like how we're extracting gold from gold mine, from gold ore. In the same way, from a larger data, we are going to extract the usable data. So this process is called as data mining. So it implies analyzing the data patterns in a large batches of data using either one or more softwares. Portal. So literal meaning of the portal is a doorway, gate, other entrance, especially a large and imposing one. So data portal means it's a way from which one can get their desired data. Commonly we'll call it as search engine. So let us start with the portals. The first portal is Dhara. The full form of this Dhara is Digital Helpline for Ayurveda Research Articles. It's an online index of articles on Ayurveda published in research journals worldwide. It's a first comprehensive online indexing service for research articles published in the field of Ayurveda. The Dhara is a project being implemented by AVP Research Foundation. Formerly it was AVT Institute for Advanced Research. The research wing of Ayurvedic Trust, AVP Group of Institutions, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, India. So this is how that Dhara website homepage, and we can find the Dhara and along with the full name, Digital Helpline for Ayurveda Research Articles. So here, as the arrow mark is showing here, just by entering the keywords, one can search the desired article through this portal, and we are going to find the different sections in this home page. The first section related with the articles here. So articles at a glance. So here we are going to find the total number of all articles in this portal, the full text articles, free full text articles, paid full text articles, abstracts only, titles only, and apart from that, the number of articles included in this portal year wise, that is 16, 15, 14, 13, we are going to find here. And in this second section, we are going to find about the authors at a glance. So the author names here and the articles written by only one author, total number of articles, the maximum articles for an author name, that also we are going to find, the first author name, that also here it is, and the last author name. And in the third section, we are going to find the very important research articles which are published in various journals. And in next section, the total number of articles uploaded to this portal month wise, that kind of a data also we are going to find in this section. And apart from this, whenever we are using this portal, total how many users are there or how many people are using this portal also we're going to find in this users online. So the first phase of this Dhara project, it was funded by CCRS, Department of Ayush, the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India, and the period it was August 2010 to July 2011. So now we'll move to the next portal, that is PubMed. The logo of PubMed. So PubMed, it's a free search engine. So it is assessing primarily the Medline database of references and abstracts on life science and biomedical topics. It comprises more than 29 million citations for biomedical literature from Medline life science journals, online books. These citations may include links to a full text content from PubMed Central and publishers' websites. So the PubMed, it was developed and maintained by NCBI. So NCBI is National Center for Biotechnology Information, so which is a part of United States National Library of Medicine, in short NLM, which is located at National Institute of Health, that is NIH. So this portal is available to the public online since 1996. So this is a homepage website of this portal PubMed. We're going to find NCBI here, and US National Library of Medicine and National Institute of Health, then PubMed. So here, just by entering the keywords, one can search the desired articles or desired material through this search engine. And what it contains, that PubMed, it's mentioned in 2 lines in the homepage only. Different sections are there. The using up of PubMed, in this section we are going to find, and PubMed tools are separate section is there, and more resources, that also we are going to find in a separate section. And apart from that, we are going to find the latest literatures in the separate section of this homepage only. And apart from this latest literature, the trending articles also we can find this main page only. So as we can find here, the COVID-19 outbreak and overview. So the literary article which is published, that also we can find here in the trending articles. In the next portal is Ayush Research Portal. So this portal is purely meant for academic purpose. The content of the website is managed by National Institute of Indian Medical Heritage, NIIMH in short, which is located at Hyderabad. The intention of this Ayush Research Portal is disseminating the knowledge of Ayush system and the current research updates. The Ayush Research Council will put in their best efforts to provide the valid data to further the cause of quality of research, education and training in Ayush domain. But CCRS, Ministry of Ayush, both in any way, they are not responsible for the findings, claims or whatever so published and cited from various sources uploaded onto this portal, and whatever retrieved from Dhara. So this is how that Ayush Research Portal homepage. So mainly it has got 3 sections. The section 1 where one can directly go for advanced search, and section 2 here, so based on the medical system one can search, and section 3, so one who don't know the particular terminologies, who can search the terms related with that particular medical system. So let us go through with the third section initially. So select the body system. Here we'll select the digestive system, and select the disease, liver disease, and the terminology is Yakrut Vikara. So the selected system of medicine is Ayurveda, and selected body system is digestive, and the disease is liver disease. The term which is used in Ayurveda is Yakrut Vikara, and in this portal the clinical research articles which are available are 33 in the number. And we'll go to the first section, that is advanced search. So the medical system, whatever we need, that we have to enter here, and select category concerned. Pre-clinical research category is there. In clinical research, grade A, B, C are there. Fundamental research is there. Drug research is there. And finally, select the search field concerned. Here article title can be entered, author's name, journal name, institute or a department, or abstract. We have to select anyone from this, and we have to enter the either title or author name where this arrow is mentioned here. So with the example, first we'll select the system Ayurveda, and the category is preclinical, and we have selected here is the author name, and the author what I have typed here is my name, that is Kashnath Hadimur, and after entering this search button, so this article, that is anti-implantation and pregnancy interruption activity of Japa Kusma hibiscus rosa sinensis in albino rat, which is a preclinical research, which the articles which I have published in the IJRAP journal, what we can found here. So like this, one can search the desired articles or related information. So the next one is Bioinformatics Center. So let us go through with the definition of a bioinformatics first. So bioinformatics is collection, classification, storage and analysis of biochemical and biological information using computers, especially as applied to molecular genetics and genomics. In a simple words, we can say it as it's a combination of biology and information technology. It's an interdisciplinary field that develops methods and software tools for understanding biological data. Bioinformatics combines various departments like biology, computer science, information engineering, mathematics and statistics to analyze and interpret the biological data. So the list of various bioinformatics centers throughout the country, here it is, and one of the center which is located in the Karnataka in the Department of Physics, Indian Institute of Science, Malleshwaram, Bangalore. The next portal is Research Management Information System, RMIS. The web management is carried out, or it is by National Institute of Indian Medical Heritage, NIIMH, Hyderabad, and it is mainly managed by or maintained by NIIMH Hyderabad, CCRS and Ministry of Ayush, Government of India. So this portal is specially meant for academic purpose. The various academic institutions of Ayurveda which are imparting the higher education like MD, MS and PhD in several disciplines and various allied subjects. To those, as an integral part of a course, the scholars they have to submit a thesis work based on the research work during their study period. So the quality of research may be enhanced by appropriate formulation of a research hypothesis, planning, designing, protocol, sampling concerned, and statistical issues are executed well and planned well before the study. So this portal helps giving service in formulation of in solving the above mentioned these points. So the MD, MS and PhD scholars and the guides across the country and institutions, colleges, they can get a service from this portal. But neither NIIMH, CCRS, Ministry of AYUSH or Government of India are not responsible for the facility of implementation of suggestions offered for the study. It is the sole discretion of the researchers or the guide either to accept or the reject the suggestions offered by this portal. And neither this NIIMH, CCRS or Ministry of AYUSH are not responsible for the content and claims made by in the completed research work displayed in the RMIS research database. So this is a home page of website, that RMIS Research Management Information System. In the menu part we can find the service and even AYUSH fellowship and Ayurveda PG and diploma courses and contact. So these are the services provided to the scholars. 12 different points, those services have been mentioned here, and apart from that we can find the e-Samhita books also in this website. So thus the importance of IT in the data mining is, for the research work we can collectively get the literary data in a single place, and it helps in the selection of a topic, and even it helps in the ethical issues concerned to solve the problems, and in the selection of the sample, and in the proper designing of methodology concerned, and it also helps in the collection of data, and it solves the problems regarding the statistical issues concerned. And even after completion of a research work, it also helps in publication of that research work in the form of articles. So thanks for watching the video. Kindly subscribe this channel. Thank you.